Hi Digicians, we are exploring great application software through which you can automate your business operations or you can use these scripts application software for starting your SaaS business. In this video, I have a complete integrated courier and logistic management solution. So if you are targeting any such application for your client or willing to have a ready to use solution for your business, and this is coming under $100 again, so this is always a very important part of this channel. So we are exploring application software that you can readily use and you can configure it for your own at your own cloud at your own hosting just under $100. So in this video I have the complete integrated logistic and courier management system. It goes without saying, if you are automating your backend operations, your business is going to boom, and there are many advantages of having an automated and fully tested system. This is the system for automating the courier and logistic management, and if you are running a business that needs this solution, you can really have this solution that is readily available for you, and you can whitelist it. You can start using this, and I am going to give you an overview about this complete system, how data is flowing, how you can use the system, and whether you can decide about buying the system, and we are here to help you in configuring this system for you. So this is the dashboard of the system, and it is also called control panel of this logistic management system, and it is a complete integrated system for courier and logistic, and I'll show you all the screen that is available so that you may come to know how you can proceed with the system. This is dashboard, and it is showing the complete overview, the complete report in the system, like how many shipments are here and how many pickups, and the consolidated and account receivable and the registered packages and everything that you want to use. And this is the short information, and further you can click on the tracking details, and the rest of details can be seen in single click. So all details about the shipment and courier can be seen on a screen, and you can work according to your requirement. So I'm coming back to the control panel again, and you can create new system using this option, that is create new shipment, and it is having the complete required fields that you need for creating a package, for airwheel numbers and all. So in the first shipping prefix, you can see the country code, and you can use the country code or the air bill number and the rent recommended for security, or list of agencies and office of origin. So these are the very common terms that is used in courier and logistic industry. So I am not very much aware about these terms, but yes, if you are looking for this solution, I am sure you are from same industry or providing the solution for the same industry client. So you can simply understand the terms. Like you can have the notification on WhatsApp. It is really very important thing. It is the system works well with notification at WhatsApp, and notify like sender information can be received on the WhatsApp, and the recipient information can be received on the WhatsApp. So it is very good integration that you can do at very simple screen. And yes, it is for shipment to shipment, it is totally up to you how you want to register the shipment, like record the shipment. Like in this, you can enable the notify WhatsApp or shipment information. You can select the air freight, ocean, and however whatever freight is being used, and the type of packaging, and small, medium, large. So you can create all these things in the setting. I'm going to show you courier company, the service mode, uh, and the delivery status, and the payment method, and the delivery time. So all these things, and even POD can be uploaded, or any relevant file can be uploaded, and the driver you can assign here. Add shipment fee, you can add the shipment fee and add box or packages to a particular shipment. So these are two additional things, like package information you can update here, like you can add shipment fee, whatever is applicable for that particular shipment and the rate, and further you can add box to the package and all such things. So you can calculate the shipment fee, since we have not entered any information, so it can calculate the shipment fee and everything. So this is the main screen, and where we can create a new shipment, record a new shipment. Now I'm taking you to the setup screen, first of all, setting screen, so that you may understand how you are going to onboard on the system, how you are going to start with the system. So let us take the general setting screen, where you are going to put the basic information in the system, like time zone and language. This is general setting, and here you have to select the time zone, decimal points, thousand separator, currency that you want to use. Basically, if you are using the system in India, you can simply select the INR or the requisite currency according to your country. So I have selected INR just in case. So currency is already here, currency symbol is here, currency position. So it is all set for this screen, and next you are going to white label the system. So you have to simply change these all information, and you can keep your company information, and further you can change the website where the system is to be accessed. I'm in the domain where you are going to post this system, so it should be on domain, because it is a cloud-based solution. Every solution that I am showing on this channel is cloud-based solution that is going to be hosted at your own hosting, at your own cloud, that you can avail simply in under $50. I believe that would be enough for you. $50 yearly. Okay. So on the next screen, we can upload the update the company phone and rest of information. Country we can decide, city, and the logo, favicon, etc. can be changed here. Next screen is for email setting and how you want to set the mail. You can use the send mail API, or you can set the SMTP mailer system. So it is for transacting, sending and receiving the mail, okay, in the system, through the system, okay. You can always customize the email templates that is available in the system. It is totally up to you what information in which language you want to send through the system. So it is totally customizable, and you can change everything in the email screen. I mean email templates screen. So this is the email templates. So there are many templates, as you can see: new package notification, new pre-alert notification, new shipment, and all. So these are some email templates. Message with WhatsApp. So you can again use the Twilio SMS integration, and you can even configure the Twilio API for sending the WhatsApp. So Twilio is already configured here, and you can simply buy credit from Twilio, and you can start using this. SMS messaging is again a new additional feature through which you can integrate the Twilio SMS, configure Twilio SMS. So you have to use the SID and the token for configuring all these things. So you can avail through Twilio, and further you can change the SMS template. So everything is customizable here. You can change the language and the information that you want to send through SMS. So of course these are some shortcodes you can use in the system, and it will pull the information from the system itself. And you can check all these things if code view format and all will be available for you. Okay, back to panel, and the backup and restore is another very useful thing, since if you are using a system, you have to take the regular backups at them. So these are the basic and general setting, general configuration screen that we can do for the very first time for using the system, onboarding the system. And next is the payment setting. That is also equally important, since I am offering this solution. I'm recommending this solution for earning, and you can use this for earning and for your business uses. So you have to configure the gateways here, payment gateways here, so that the system may transact with using the gateway. So it is totally configurable. Like if you are using a Stripe, you can simply change the Stripe APIs, public key, and rest of things, and it will be functional in no time. In the payment setting, we have payment methods as well. So we can change the payment methods of the payment methods through which we want to configure the system. And you can add as many as payment method you are using for transaction and all. And the next screen, payment is setting we have seen. Miscellaneous settings shows the office group. Like if you are willing to create office groups, you can add new offices for the transportation and all. You can add office and agency group you can add, of course. So add a new agency, like this is the screen for adding the new agency. Further, you can go for so shipping companies. So if you are taking services from certain shipping companies like freight providers and the or transport agents, so you can add all details of their shipping companies. Styles and status and instance. Okay, so status you can configure. Okay, so you can configure new statuses of the shipment, like rejected is an status, quotation, pickup. So this will, all these will use it in the system, and you can create the statuses as your transport system is working. Logistic services, just in case if you are taking services from logistic, you can add the logistic details as well. So this is the complete courier and logistic management solution. So you have to configure all these things for very first time. And next is the shipping settings. So in the shipping setting, we have this tax and fee screen. We have to add these information, and this is again one-time setup. And again, and delivery prefix you can use, number of digits to trace, and all such basic information can be configured here, so that shipment settings can be completed. Default shipment information, like this is the default shipment information, and you can upgrade the information as well. Next is the shipment rate setting, shipping rate. So this is very important because you are running a courier or logistic management solution. So you can have this solution, and you can decide your rates according to your charges, what is charges you are taking for forwarding the rate, like all these things. So you can simply add the shipment rates, and this is the screen, and you can select the country. All countries are here, and you can destination country. You can select the destination country, destination states, destination city, and you can configure all rates, the applicable rates, and the start weight range, and define the rate, and you can create different rates for weight range as well. So it is a very, very important part that you have to configure at once, and later you can even change the rates as per your requirement. So rate deciding is the main function, because according to your feeding, the rate will be charged by the system. Shipment rate setting is type of packages we can decide, or we can add the type of packages as we seen in the create new shipment screen. These are the type of packages that has been already added in the system. Shipping modes you can decide, like next day, after 2 days. So these are some modes, and you can add more modes as well. Similarly, you can add shipping time and all such information. So this is basically the setting for shipment rate and the shipment setting and the basic settings. Further, you can go for location, and you can decide the countries, in which countries you are providing the solution. You can add new countries, new states, and the cities. So all these information will be mapped in the create new shipment screen automatically once you complete all these settings. So these are the admin setting that you have to perform one or whenever you want to change these settings. So these are the basic settings for onboarding on the system. Now I believe setting part is complete, and now I'm taking you to showing you application management, like all submissions what you have. So these are submissions, and we can see the locker packages, the package control panel. So these are the control panel for packages that is being shifted through the system, and the price alert list, the registered packages. You can of course register the package. This is the same screen that create new shipment, add courier. So this is another screen. So you can add new courier here. So these are the information that you need to fill. All information is customizable, don't worry. Register multiple packages just in case if you are having multiple packages at a time in a single shipment. Similarly, you can check all the list of payments, and you can create list of payments, and you can check all the payments that has been done through the system and in the system. So this is the complete locker packages system, and you can handle the complete packages through the package control panel that is available here. And next we have shipping control panel, and it is also around a similar thing. So shipping control panel, so you can see there are different panels. So one is for locker packages, and the locker packages is the package control panel. Next is the shipping control panel. So you can handle all these things like a standalone thing. And this is shipping control panel that is giving you overview about all the shippings that is being done through the system. And again, you can create the shipment, that record shipment. This is the shipment that we seen already. And you can create multiple shipment, list of shipments is here, and you can see the speed of the application. It is also working very fine. So if you are hosting even on a shared hosting, after taking the system, it will work fine. So list of shipment is here, and the list of payments again. So it is same. Now pickups. Pickups is integral part of any transport management or courier management system, and it is well available here. So collection control panel is the new panel for the pickup details. So this is collection control panel, and you can see the details of any collection that has been recorded in the system. Create pickup is the screen where we can record new pickups, and all the details can be filled here in the form. And pickup list can be seen here. So what has been picked up, what are the status of pickup, and you can further change the status, print the shipment, print the label, everything is here. So actions will be available on all the screen. You can do as per your requirement. Next is the consolidated. So consolidated shipment is another thing, and that you can, like shipment and transportation, you can do all these things from this panel. And for the consolidated is the general reports. So you can see the locker packages, submission, pickups per shipment, and all such details here. So consolidated shipping, like general consolidated, this is the detail, and you can further print on the system. Okay, I want to go in the consist. So under consolidated, we have shipments, consolidated control panel, list of consolidated, package consolidate, and list of payments again. Similarly, locker package is here under list of consolidated, and package to consolidate, and list of payments. Now next is general reports. That is, we can have all the reports. That is very, very important part of the system. Consolidated locker package report, general consolidated, and all the reports can be seen here. You can simply click on the report area where you want to check the reports, and you'll get all the reports. Simply click on the airwheel number, and you'll get all the details. So reporting is very comprehensive in the system, and you can check all the details in the consolidated system, and the complete reporting panel is available for you in the general report. This is a single screen where you can select the report that you want to see. Next is the transaction screen, and transaction control panel is another panel that can give you the overview of the system that is about transaction. So again, we have multiple options. Account receivable can be seen here, and the list of payments in the transaction control panel. You can find the payment. Users. So this can be a important thing if you are willing to create client list. So you can create new client, or you can create new shipment, locker packages, create pickup, and consolidated links are also here. So you can create new clients, and you can, of course, add new records in the add a client in the system. So you can fill all the details, and the record will be added in the system. And list of drivers, so who are picking and freighting the transport, so you can add here. So these are the users. Account profile, so user manager. This is a thing where you can create users for this system. And since you are going to be super admin of this system, you can create new users as per your requirement, how many users you need, and you can create username, password, and fill all the details. The new user will be able to log in the system using their own login credentials. So it is very important if you want to add multiple users at your system, and you can add a new user, add many as you need for your system. So user manager is here. You can see all the users in the system, and you can create new users using this screen. And further, newsletter is another setting. So you can send all the information that you want to send to your users through emails. So bulk email type thing is here, so you can send a certain information in one go through the system. So this is the complete system. This is why it is called integrated courier and transportation management, and the system name is the Deprexia Pro. So I shown you all the screen, and I believe this is enough thing that you can use in a system that is dedicatedly made for courier and logistics system. So you are going to be happy when you are using this system, and you can simply buy this script for your uses and for your client uses. You can simply follow the instruction that is available in the documentation with the system, with the package, and start creating at your own. I mean, you can upload the system at your own domain and all such things. You can also take help of any technical person if you are not so much internet or technical savvy. You can submit ticket, and you can have all the documents, like you can go through the documents because before you buying the system, and you can check all these things, how you can start, what is the introduction, what are general requirements. You just need a PHP system that is CURL enabled, and basic all the shared hosting keeps this system, so you don't need to think about much about the technology, and you can simply use the system on a shared hosting. So you'll get all the things on this screen. All the details has been shared on this screen, and I am adding this link in the description section of this video, so that you may buy the solution through the affiliate link that is available in the video description. It is very important to buy the system through affiliate link, and you can further get in touch with us and through the comment in this video if you are having any issue, or you are willing to have any support. So this is well available, and the system is well available at codecanyon.net through the link given in the description. And as I said, you can start using this solution under $100. So this is totally up to you. It is one-time buying, and you can, of course, get 6 months support from the developer itself, and you'll also get all the details, and you can also get a support for 12 months just for after paying the additional dollar sum. Okay, so I believe this system is completely helpful for you, and you understood this system, and you can start using this system for your transport and the courier and the logistics system, and it will be helpful for you, and it is going to boost your business, of course. So in the next video, I'm coming with more solution. Till then, goodbye, keep watching.